Hi, I'm Sasha and these are my healthy desserts. You can find a lot of brownie recipes on my channel for each diet and for each taste. But I think this recipe is one of my favorites. We will not use dairy products or sugar, and you can take any flour you like in desserts. It is so moist, rich, and fluffy at the same time. Let's start with fruit or vegetable puree. I have carrot. You can take pumpkin, banana, then 60 milliliters of coconut oil, 100 milliliters of any plant-based milk, like coconut or oat milk. Then, of course, your favorite sugar substitute. You can add vanilla or anything you like. Now, cocoa powder, for me, 15 grams is just right. And 30 milliliters of espresso or just strong coffee. It will emphasize and add even more richness to the chocolate flavor of the dessert. And we also need 2 eggs. Whip them with a pinch of salt or a teaspoon of lemon juice until dense peaks. Whipped eggs are not for our brownie to rise, but for our brownie to be fluffy and airy inside. Carefully mix them with butter, and it remains to add flour. I have 110 grams of oat flour and whole wheat flour. Also mix it very gently until everything is well combined. Together with the flour, add 1 teaspoon of baking powder or the same amount of baking soda with some lemon juice after adding the flour. I decided to bake our brownies in like a bread mold. Don't forget to cover it with parchment paper on all sides. Feel free to add chocolate chips or anything you like in brownies. Bake it for 45 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius. In the meanwhile, let's make a glaze, chocolate glaze. That's very quick and delicious. Mix cocoa powder, 12-13 grams, sugar substitute, and any plant-based milk. I also added some water, 90 milliliters of liquid in total. Mix it well, and now we need to heat it all on a cooker or in a microwave until it thickens slightly. I use microwave, so I mix it thoroughly every 20 seconds until I get the right consistency. When the brownies are done and cool, as well as the glaze, you can combine them together and sprinkle our brownies with crushed walnuts if you like. Such a dessert turns out to be very tender, and I prefer to heat it up a little bit before eating. This way it's airier and more delicious. At the same time, it's rich, chocolatey, and very fragrant. Be sure to try it and enjoy it, guys. Thanks for watching.